Hi everyone. So to cover the prompt engineering syllabus, our is next topic is prompt anatomy. We will going to understand in this section uh, something very important in prompt engineering called prompt anatomy. It is simply meaning is structured of a good prompt. Instead of randomly asking questions, we will learn how to design prompts in a clear and systematic way so that AI gives us best or better or desired result. So we will understand what is prompt anatomy. So prompt anatomy refers to the structure of a well-written prompt. When a prompt is structured properly, the AI understands our intentions clearly and gives more accurate and consistent responses. This concept is the foundation of prompt engineering and is especially important when using AI for professional and repetitive tasks. So many people think AI gives bad answers, but in most cases, the problem is an unclear prompt. Prompt anatomy helps reduce vague responses, save time, and avoid rework. If you want reliable outputs from AI, understanding prompt anatomy is must have. And a good prompt made up of five components, that is your role, task, context, constant, output format. But not every prompt must include all five, but the more complex your task, the more important these components become. So we will understand this one by one. So what is role? Basically, the role defines who the AI should act as. When we assign a role, the AI adjusts its tone, vocabulary, and level of expertise. For example, if you are saying to an AI or any machine that you are a legal assistant and help the AI respond like a professional instead of a giving generic answers. Then we will understand about the task. So the task clearly tells the AI what action to perform. This is the most critical part of any prompt. Always use clear action word like summarize, explain, analyze, or generate. Clear task prevents confusion and improve output quality. Then we will understand the context, a background of your prompt. So provide background information to the AI. It helps the model understand the audience purpose or situations. For example, for a non-lawyer audience, ensure the explanation is simple and easy to understand. And then we will understand the constraint, basically a limitation of your prompt. So it acts as a boundary for the AI responses, the control length, tone, and style. For example, setting a word limit or asking the AI to avoid technical terms keeps the output focused and usable. Then we will understand the output format. So it tells the AI how to present the response. This could be bullet point, tabular format, or step by instructions, like step by step instructions. So specifically, the format saves time and reduce the need for editing later on. So if you define this earlier itself, so it will be helpful, and later on you saves you lots of time to re-editing the your responses. So basically I'm putting all this together so what you can understand, because these are the key components of any prompt and very important formula, that your role, task, context, and constants and output. So here we define the role as a legal assistant, the task as summarizing a contract, providing context for a non-lawyer audience, set a word limit, and specifying bullets point as the output format. So because prompt is structured, the AI responses will be clear and effective. So basically, to understand this, like key takeaway, to summarize, prompt engineering is not about using fancy words. It's about clarity and structure. The better your prompt, the better the output. So practice, mm, practice a lot, you can master on it. So see you soon on next video.